Hey, what's up, besties? Today we're going to get into some Madam Glam goodness. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to receive some of their polishes, and I was like, heck yes, I would. And on top of that, they also have given us a 30% off coupon that is good for the entire month of March on their website. So I definitely highly recommend it because these are not available on Amazon. So that 30% off will definitely, you know, knock a little bit of the coins off, and y'all know I'm here for the coins. But I see a lot of like our nail YouTubers using the Madam Glam, and I was like, yes, let me try it. Okay. All right, so inside of the package, they gave us some gorgeous colors. We're going to be trying out some of the glass polish. Now, this is something I'm, you know, I'm new to this. I'm true to this, but I'm new to this as well. So they sent us 3 colors from, like, I guess it's like their springtime collection, and a top coat and a base coat. I actually used the base coat to put on these nails. That's why you guys see that. And the shine on there is from the base coat. And then here's the top coat one that we'll use. And then we have our colors here, which this is Supreme Pink. And I love that you know, the top of it has the color as well. This is dipped in honey. And then we have this beautiful blue, which is called Crystal Clear. So I thought we would go ahead and give it a whirl, okay, on our color wheel. Let's go ahead. I guess we can make our own, let's see. Yeah, we'll put it on here. And we'll just make a note of it somehow, some way. We'll go ahead and let ourselves know that this is going to be the MG. Oh, can we get MG on there? MG, okay. MG. All right, that way I know this is the Madam Glam colors on here. So let's go ahead and try these colors out so we can see what the color will look like. Let me do a little hood tap real quick. Okay, and we're gonna go and try out this sapphire. Is that what it's called? Yeah, no, Supreme Pink. Why did I say sap? Ooh, okay, can you guys see that? Okay. All right, this is all new to me now. Okay, I ain't the one. So let's try and see what it will look like on here. Oh wow. Okay, come on, get in the screen, Michelle. Get it together. All right. So this is what glass looks like. Okay, so it's like almost a transparent, like jelly color. That's really cute. I'm here for that. That is super duper cute. We'll let them all like bake at the same time. I won't worry about like trying to bake one at a time. So let me go ahead and just open these up so I won't take up all of your time with this. I'm trying to decide what color I want to use because that pink it's kind of calling my name. It's kind of speaking to me just a little. So let's try this honey color here now. Ooh, this is real cute, real cute. Okay. Okay, so it's like a honey yellow. Almost remind me of like a honey gold chicken wing. Maybe I'm hungry at this time in the morning. I don't know, but this is like super duper cute. And it's transparent, giving me jelly vibes. That is cute. Now, I don't know how I would, oh, that's so good. And it just glides right on there. All right, let's try this Crystal Clear. Oh, now come on now. It's thick. Like, as you can see, like I'm putting it on, but this is just like one coat. Like, I wonder how many coats you would need. It seems so strong. Okay, this is really nice. So these are the colors here. You can see like these are some of my regular gel polishes, which is why I kind of wanted to do it on this color wheel so you could see the difference. Like, it's definitely like a transparent glassy type, and look how smooth that is. Like, can you tell that is like super duper smooth? So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna let that kind of like cook or bake or whatever we say. We're gonna let them have that there. See if I can stick my little, what do I usually put? Oh, my block. I put my block in there. My block, because I need that. All right, so I think I am going to choose, ooh, I can't even decide. I like that blue color, but I'm trying to save the blue for when Sammy comes, so I don't want to have like double blue. So let's go with the pink, because you guys know I'm a pinky pink girl. So let's do pink on all the nails, and then maybe we'll like do some like jewels or something like that. Now again, I've already went ahead and done the base coat, and my sis told me that I need to not move my hand but move the brush. I think that's what she said. So I'm gonna try my hand at this. I'm using this here little contraption, if I can get it to work to paint my nails. Let's see, we gonna see. Roll up on me, homie, girl. We gonna see. Okay, I really like the pigmentation of this. Like, I'm letting that like cook over there. But this is from McCart. I got it off of Amazon. It has like the little thing, you stick your hand on there, and yeah, it's supposed to be amazing. So this is done now, and this is what it looks like with one coat. I mean, it didn't change anything when I nuked it, so I'm here for that. I'm always here for something that doesn't change or shift when you put it inside of the cooker. So that's what it looks like. I still think, oh, that yellow is still calling my name though. Like, that would be so different. Do we want to do yellow nails or we want to do pink? Oh, I'm gonna stick with pink. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go with pink. I do my own nails, so if I decide I want to change it, I'll change it later. All right, so let's go ahead and paint these and see how all of this will come out. I don't know if I want to paint this on this thing. I think I just need this for support. Okay, so here is one coat of the polish. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and just try to make sure. Now see, when I put this polish on, child, it made my hand look like it's like one of these nails look like it's crooked or whatever. I have never seen that before. So I don't know what that's about, but it does look a little crooked. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna clean up this like little area over here on the side, because that ain't cute. That ain't cute at all. So you want to make sure you clean it up before you do any nuking of the sort. I thought I saw some like over here, and I just put like a little bit of alcohol on the thing so that I don't mess that up completely. And I'm just taking it around that edge, because if you let it kind of go on there, it will definitely like mess up what you got going on. So just kind of taking that around, take it around town. Y'all remember that from SpongeBob? Okay. All right, so this is what it looks like before I have nuked it in just one coat, which I think is pretty dope that is one coat of the polish. So I'm gonna move this out the way. I feel like this like inhibited me. Let me stick it in here and then I'll come back. Okay, so this is what it looks like with one coat. I think I'm going to, I don't know, like, do I need more coats of this polish? Like, do we need more? Let's do one more for GP. Like, let's do GP, are you with me? But I think it's gonna give us the same look. I mean, this is pretty thick. Like, I don't know, y'all. Okay, we're gonna put one more coat on there and see how that goes. I mean, but it's so thick. Like, it's just a thick polish. Okay, so that's 2 coats. Let me make sure. I usually do pretty good the second time around. I was making sure, so I'm gonna stick that in there. All right, so this is what the polish looks like before we put any top coat or anything on there. So this is what we are working with. Wow. Okay, girl, ratchet, she ratchet. She ratchet, she ratchet. Hey. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm gonna do the other hand and then I'll apply the top coat and I'll come back. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the top coat. This is a soak off top coat, and I'm just going to put this on all of the nails. And I think I'm gonna go back in and add some jewels or something like that, but I just wanted to show you guys how the top coat works. And I don't really get like you get a lot with the top coat. It's a lot more liquefied, I would say, with this here top coat, because yes, I'm gonna go through and like clean it up. But because it's clear, I really don't be tripping about how I polish with the with any top coat. It won't matter. I mean, I'll be trying to be whatchamacallit, but baby, this allows me to kind of get into those spaces that maybe I didn't get, but you want to seal everything off. So that's kind of why I just kind of go in at the best way that I can, and then I come through and clean it up the best way that I can. But yeah, so we're just applying this top coat on here, and it's looking like it might be pretty good. Now what I think this one is, it doesn't say it's a no wipe top coat, so I'm not really sure how that will go. I do enjoy a no wipe top coat because that's just the thing, and I feel like it's a lot, you know, easier to just don't have to worry about wiping it. But I the last time I did it, I think when I did use this top coat, because I used it to put these nails on the other day. I had some nails that I wanted to try, so I used this to put it on there, but I don't know if I'm like 100%. You see that little piece right there? So I just want to clean that up or whatever. But all of this just adds like total strength to the nails, so you really don't have to use but one coat of the top coat, I guess, depending on how you know how you move. But I only use one top coat. Like that's what it is, a top coat. If you need more layers of something than that, I mean, to each its own, but I just use one layer of top coat shell, and I'm just kind of making sure I get all the way on the nail and getting all the way down there. I did notice a little bubbling when I did my other set. Oh, not set. Well, when I was filling in some nails the other time, I did notice I had some slight bubbling. So I just want to make sure I get a good, nice, even toned layer. And like I said, I go back in before I put it in there and clean up everything anyway. I just like to make sure that I have secured the bag, okay? Because that's important to me, making sure I secure everything in, because that's the last thing you want is to, like, you know, normal wear and tear on your nails and then it starts peeling and chipping because you didn't let your top coat like dry completely, or you didn't put enough on there, or you didn't put it in the areas it needed. So yeah, like I said, I don't be tripping about going overboard with the top coat, because that is what's going to, top coat saves lives, okay, out here. I don't know if y'all knew that or not, but top coats be out here saving lives, and I'm here for it. Okay, I do like the brush. It does get a lot of coverage. I know that I feel like there are some other brushes though that kind of help you get into those crevices a lot better. I did notice that when I was putting on the polish, I had a hard time like trying to get to those edges and stuff, because it didn't want to like just like kind of sit in the edge. Like I feel like I had to manipulate a lot. But this is a pretty thick top coat gel, so I'm not like saying it's bad or anything. I was just making sure I point out different things that I've noticed in here. All right, so what I'm going to do now is just go through and clean up the clean up woman, making sure we just get some of that so that we don't have that excess just like falling over. Just trying to make sure, because I've had that happen before where I've done that on these sides and it'll be like a little like whatchamacallit over there, like doesn't look good. because then I have to go through and file. The object for me is like to not have to do any filing. I'm gonna end up filing this thumbnail off, but not off, but end up filing a thumbnail. So anyways, this is what it looks like with the top coat before we stick it in there. So let's go ahead and nuke it. All right, so here is what we have, just a nice full set of colored nails. Now what I'm gonna do is, because again, it's still like if I feel on it, it's still like really tacky, and I feel like it shouldn't be that tacky. So I'm just gonna take some acetone on one of my wipes, and I'm just gonna wipe that down, wipe it down. Because as you guys know, gel polish does not come off with acetone. So this should be like sealing it. It still feels like a little tacky. I don't think I like the tackiness of it all. I don't know. I mean, we know it's on there because it ain't coming off, but I just feel like it's not its best. I don't know. Let's try the alcohol. Let's try to wipe it down with alcohol and see if that will take off that sticky layer. And that's what I felt last time. It was just a little too sticky for me, and I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like this top coat, or maybe I'll just get online and find out exactly how I'm supposed to use the top coat. Maybe this is where research comes in at, just making sure you're using the products correctly. Child. Okay, that feels a little bit better. Yeah, that feels better. Okay, and it's got all this like sticky, see, but it kind of, I feel like it kind of took away the shine too. I don't know. Let's oil up and see what we got going on. Oh, let's put on some gem. I want to put some gems on. All right, so here is the final look of the nails. I think they came out really super duper cute, and I love them. These are great. Like, I feel like these are more summertimey right now, but y'all know I don't care about the seasons, okay? Seasons matter not to me, because it's always Libra season for me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing review of this polish. I can't wait to try the other ones. I think they're gonna be so super cute. This glass polish like is everything to me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you have any suggestions on videos, then yeah, drop them down below. Drop it down low. Drop it. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low. Okay, that's a little much. All right, you guys. See you in the next video. Mwah. KK. Bye.